What are we doing with our car? Is it being a silly car? Is he riding over everything? Where's it gonna go?
Mommy, it's not turning enough.
Well, it only turns a little bit at a time. You gotta drive it and then turn more and drive and turn. Move it forwards. So he's turning a little bit.
I crashed it. Right now I want to try and do it here.
Wow, is it destroying all of our stuff?
Mommy, I want to make it stop.
It looks like it's stuck.
Mommy, I want to try running over the egg.
He's riding over all of our mess.
Running over. Mommy, I want to make a jump for him.
You gonna make a jump for him?
He's going just.
Oh, wow, that was a good jump.
I'm going crazy!
That's pretty crazy. Oh no, we lost him.
He's going crazy. I want to make I want him.
He's riding over all of our toys. Is he being silly?
He went the whole set.
Mm-hmm. Sure did. Oh, it looks like he's stuck. You're gonna hurt your finger. Oh, did you get stuck on the egg?
Ah! Mommy, I want it to be aiming for me.
You want it to aim for you?
Uh-huh. And jump for it. Jump for me.
What are you doing, silly Billy?
I want to make a jump at me.
Do you think that's safe for it to jump at you? It's not gonna hurt you like that? I don't think they're lined up, Aiden.
Mommy, do you want me to go crazy over a jump?
Sure. I don't think it's gonna go over that. Oh!
I want to try liking this.
Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly Billy?
Ow!
Ooh.
Mommy, do you want to see him?
I'm seeing him. What's he gonna do now? Is he gonna drive over all of our junk?
Do something crazy. It's going to do something crazy. try this.
That's silly.
Almost tried to hit me.
Woo! Where did it go?
As long as you let me play. First I gotta get my controller in.
Let's see it do something really, really crazy. It's ready to drive. Woo! That's pretty crazy. What do we say to our friends?
Like and subscribe.
Hey, say that again. And look at the camera.
Like and subscribe.